Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Catherine and my daughter's name is Adobe, who you most likely are seeing now or will see much later in this video. Today I'll be showing you guys how I regrew her hairline with just 2 ingredients from my kitchen in just one use. So if you're interested in seeing the process, why not keep on watching, and with no further ado, let us dive right in. The first ingredient I'll be needing is an onion, just a medium-sized onion, and next is a ginger. So these 2 ingredients are very beneficial to not only our health but also to our hair. Onion juice is rich in sulfur that prevents breakage and thinning of hair. Sulfur is essential for the regrowth of hair follicles. Onion juice is loaded with antioxidants that may help to prevent premature graying of the hair. Onion helps to nourish the hair and prevent hair fall. The ginger is not left out. It is also beneficial to our hair as much as the onion. Well, onion contains sulfur, which promotes rapid hair growth. So let me quickly give a rundown of what I'm doing before I list out the benefits of ginger. So as you guys just saw, I blended the onion and ginger. First, I sliced them into, blendable sizes, and I put them into my blender, added a cup of water and blended them together. So right now I am sieving out the juice from the shaft. As you guys can see, you can use a sieving cloth. I use my hair tie. So this is the juice I got from that quantity of onion and ginger, and I'm gonna go ahead to pour it into a spraying bottle. So let me quickly list out the benefits of ginger before we proceed. First, it promotes hair growth. Ginger tends to boost circulation in your scalp. Ginger prevents hair loss. It is packed with vitamins, fatty acids, and minerals. Ginger strengthens your hair and prevents hair loss. Ginger cures irritation. Ginger prevents premature aging and also dandruff.
Baby girl, say hi. Hi. So we are just going to use this.
So now I'm spraying the onion and ginger juice into Adobe's hair, making sure I concentrate more on the affected area, on her hairline, and massaging it very well. This massage part is very essential. Whenever you're applying anything on the hair, make sure you massage it. Like, massaging the scalp is very essential, okay? So as soon as I spray, I massage, and I'll go ahead to start applying it all over her hair, making sure it touches all her scalp. And after that, I'll go in with this bonnet, cover it up, and leave it in for 30 minutes. Yes, I left it in for 30 minutes and allowed it to do its thing, its magic. And 30 minutes later, we are back to wash it off her hair. And I'm using this shower, cover that prevents water from dripping all over your child's face whenever you're washing their hair. You can get this from my Amazon storefront. Link will be in my description box below. I just applied the shampoo onto her hair, massage it, wash out the whole thing, and after shampoo, I went in with this deep conditioner. I applied it all over her hair, massage it in, then comb out and allowed it sit for like 15 minutes before I finally washed it out. So you guys, I would like to point out something before I proceed. When blending onion and ginger, please blend small quantity. Like I showed you guys the quantity I blended, which for me I feel like is too much, being the fact that you cannot finish it, especially if you're just dealing with one child. It will be too much, and it's not advisable to have any leftover because it's onion. I don't know if you can store it in the fridge, but I tried having a leftover, though I did not store it in the fridge, and the next day it wasn't good. So just to avoid storing that, so just blend the quantity you finish at the first use, okay? And you can use this 3 times in a week, between 2 to 3 times in a week. For me, I only used it once, that is on this day, and the next day I made her hair, so I couldn't use it between the week again. And there was obvious change even with just one use. So as you guys saw earlier, I sprayed in my clove water just to moisturize the hair, and after that I went in with that mixture you guys saw earlier that looks greenish or lemonish in color. Is a DIY. I'll be showing you guys in my next video. Okay, so yeah, we've come to the end of this video. If you have any question, do leave it in the comment section and I will endeavor to answer them all. And with that being said, see you in my next one. Bye bye.